In this video, I want to show the easiest way to get started using dyn4j. We'll be using the Eclipse IDE, which is available for free. No prior setup has been performed, and I'm working out of a fresh workspace. To get started quickly, we'll be using the samples project from GitHub. The samples project contains a very simple framework built on top of Java 2D. The first step is to go to the samples project page on GitHub and copy the clone URL. Next, from within Eclipse, we'll open the Git perspective. Then we'll right-click in the Git repositories view and paste the URL that we copied. Here, we'll hit Next. Again, we'll hit Next. On this screen, we'll make sure that we check the Import All Existing Eclipse Projects After Clone Finishes checkbox. And then we'll click Finish. Next, we'll swap to the Java perspective and expand the project that was imported. At this point, we can run any of these samples. We'll run this one as an example. So from here, you can play around with the existing samples, or you can create your own.